Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin itong lab blind OS command injection with out-of-band data exfiltration. So this lab contains a blind OS command injection vulnerability in the feedback function. So again, yun ulit. The application executes a shell command containing the user supply details. The command is executed asynchronously and has no effect on the application response. It is not possible to redirect output into a location that you can access. However, you can trigger out-of-band interactions with an external domain. So, katulad ng ginawa natin in one of my previous videos. To solve the lab, execute the whoami command and exfiltrate the output via a DNS query to burp collaborator. So, you will need to enter the name of the current user to complete the lab. So, access natin yung lab. And let's visit the user feedback functionality. And again, alam na natin na yung vulnerable function dito ay yung email, no? Pero test pa rin natin. So, JLearn at jlearn.com, JLearn, and submit feedback. So, tignan natin ngayon kung ano yung tsura ng request nito sa burp. So, ganyan, as we expect, ito pa din. Let's send this to the repeater. And sa previous video natin, ginamit natin NSLOOKUP to issue a DNS request, no? So, we can also use the same idea, no? So, ginawa natin is semicolon, NSLOOKUP, and then burp collaborator. So, kuha tayo ng isang collaborator dito, copy to clipboard, paste, oops, paste, and another semicolon, and then URL encode natin ito, no? So, let's see kung gumagana. And let's query collaborator. And ayan, no, gumagana yung DNS request natin. So ngayon, paano tayo makakapag-exfiltrate ng data using DNS? So ang pwede natin gawin is idagdag natin as subdomain yung ating command. So in this case, gusto mo whoami, 'di ba? So ganyan, whoami dot yung sa ating subdomain. So ang ginagawa nito, i-execute niya NSLOOKUP and then i-execute niya whoami command and then i-append niya yung output na yon sa ating burp collaborator domain. So if we run the and if we send the request, so tignan natin sa collaborator, let's poll, and there you go. Na-execute yung whoami command, na-append siya as the subdomain ng ating burp collaborator, and ito na yung output ng whoami command. So copy natin to. Let's go to the lab again, submit solution, and we submit the name ng user. No? So, click OK. And we have solved the lab. So, again, this is just a variety nung ating previous labs, wherein dito naman, instead of just doing a DNS query, pwede na tayong mag-exfiltrate ng data by the DNS query. So, dinadagdag lang natin siya as a subdomain. Okay? I hope na-gets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.